Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to resize a video for Instagram Reels on a Filmora. So first you have to open your Filmora and you just have to import your video right here. So see, for example, I want this one, so just select it and then click on open. Okay, now you just have to drag your video in this section. So as you can see, in here, we cannot see a ratio option where we can change the size of the video. So here at the top, you can see the file options. You just have to click on it and then click on the project settings and you'd be able to see here the aspect ratio. So you just have to select one of this. So for example, you have 16 by 9 for a wider screen, and then you click on it again, you'll be able to see here the 1 by 1 for Instagram. So when you click on it for Instagram, so you just have to click on OK, and as you can see, it still has the black background color, so we don't want that in our Instagram reels. So in order to eliminate this background right here, just have to click on file again and go to the project settings again, and then go to the aspect ratio and you have to select the 19 by 16, and then just have to click on OK. So as you can see, we have now a perfect size or aspect ratio for our video to be uploaded in our Instagram Reels. And after that, you can now save your changes. Just have to click on this one right here and then click on the export option at the top. Okay, so this one. Okay, so you can also choose the resolution for your video and then just have to click on export. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.